Hey guys, Brandon here, Florida Outdoors RV Country here in Okeechobee, Florida. I want to show you this fifth wheel Flagstaff, one of our newer lines here on the lot. This one is the 8528 IKWS model. Really shows well. Flat screen LCD TV or flat screen TV. We've got Lazy Boy furniture, ceiling fan, this is the Alair interior brand for the couch. Double door Dometic fridge, solid surface countertops, high-rise sink. We've got a nice kitchen island here, lots of counter space. Moving up 3 steps here to the bedroom. Just a really nice layout, queen size bed, his and her reading lights, dual air conditioning, and of course wardrobe space in the bathroom. So here we go. Storage here, corner shower. Alright, let's take a look outside. Alright, so lots of protection here from nature. We've got our awnings, we have our slide toppers. Comes standard with this RV here. We've got frameless windows. If you have any questions about this RV, call us at 863-623-4689. Thanks so much for watching and have a nice day.